Come on, babe. Wait a minute. Stop.
I'm going to move where it doesn't smack so much. Hey, Rick. Rick, come. Rick, come with me.
Okay. So we're gonna push up behind the American Sniper, and then from there on we're just gonna keep pushing down to the right, right?
Okay.
Follow me.
Hey, don't come down with me.
Good job. Let's go.
No, there's like 5 of them. This is quite the incline.
You good, babe? You good? You good? Right, come right here. Come on.
Oh, crap.
Use me as something to hold yourself up, alright? Use my shoulder too, to aim, to help keep the sniper steady.
This is awesome.
You can just look for them.
Where are they at?
They're to our left, 12 o'clock, in the...
Come on, call that.
Behind those rocks. Do you remember?
I have no cover. Huh? I have...
Where? Where? I'm covering the left side.
Oh, I see him up there.
Take her down, take her down.
Good hit.
They act like I have a fucking LMG. No.
Where is everyone?
They're all in the woods over there.
Okay.
I don't
Stay
really
right here, babe. Take my spot and then move up a little bit, alright?
Oh, wait. Let me go ahead of you. Because they got people posted in the woods right in front of you there. Huh? Yeah.
Yeah.
Let me go ahead of you.
Yeah.
Sam, are you good?
Yeah.
Alright. Hey. Hey. Oh.
Someone's gonna like start an I hear him, I don't see him. I have yet to see him. I feel like someone's just gonna fall. Yeah, I don't see him, but
Yeah, guys, don't pump
I
up.
don't have the range.
Babe, come over here.
Watch out, Vic.
Travis, watch out.
I'm out of his range. You can't
Oh
get
shit,
him.
I see him. See him down there in the gray and the twitch?
It's already cocked, so whenever you want, just pull the trigger, babe.
Hey, does anybody have baseball?
Oh, there's
What?
another one.
Come on, Michelle. You good?
Come on.
There's one moving right. Follow me.
You see him, babe? You see him?
Yeah, I see him. See a lot.
Get down. He's right over there.
Hey, back in the woods back there, I see him.
Yep, on the right side. Okay, babe.